Hello, scrapers! Ever wondered how to extract Google search result effortlessly for your marketing and lead generation needs? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Google Search Scraper in Outscraper to get Google search result. So let's dive right in. Head over to Outscraper and log into your account. To access this service, click on Services and search on Google Search Scraper. Google Search Scraper returns search result from Google. To input your search query, just add multiple keywords in this query box. For our example, we will use these keywords. Make sure that you set your parameters like pages limit per one query, date range, language, region. Once everything is set, click on Get Data. Here, you will be prompted by a window containing the information of your scrape. After reviewing this, click Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. And after a few moments, you'll have a structured data ready for your analysis. Perfect for research, competitor analysis, and targeted lead generation. And that's how you can efficiently extract Google search results using Outscraper. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!